Hello dear students, welcome to online computer class. I am Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. One request to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and keep on posting your comments, your queries. I feel very happy when I see your comments and answering them, and do motivate other classmates also to do the same. Let's begin our today's topic. Class 8. Let's begin our today's revision. Today we are going to revise some advanced features of MS Access. By the time you must be knowing how to create table in both the view and what are the applications that we can apply on the tables, right? I mean freezing and all. Now in this revision, I will be exploring queries, designing form and reports. For that, let's go to our Access software. After having all these things, we will be discussing some interesting facts or some unknown facts about the Access. This is what our Access sheet, right? We are working on MS Access 2007, and which view is this, class 8? Data sheet view, right? I already told you in design view we cannot enter the data, clear? So and primary key is roll number, right? How can we judge? Go to data sheet view, go to data sheet tab, and here click on roll number. You will find it's unique, so primary key is roll number. CS name is unique is not checked. That means of course primary key is this only. Now let's recapitulate the first thing, that query. How to do that? Go to create option. For query, first of all you have to go to create option. Next here you can go to other and say query design. In query design you will select table 1 and you will click on, see here, table 1 you will select, click on add. This way you will be adding table 1, right? Close it. Now whatever field you want in your query you should select. For example, I want roll number, student name and date of birth. Fine, double click on this, roll number will get selected, S name means student name will get selected and date of birth will selected. Now you want to see the output of this query. Can you see here in the results option, run option is there. In the result tab, run option is there. Click on run. Remember what we have selected? Roll number, student name and date of birth. In our table, everything is there. But the shorted version, the selected field you can see in query. This way a query has been designed. Now the next thing we will be doing, designing form, right? So how can we design? First go to table, again go to create option, form is there, see, from form tab, click on form option. The form will come like this. This is the form of table 1. Now you want to see another record. Roll number 1 is Sanvi, roll number 2 is Raju. So I want to see another record. With this we can navigate our record. Look here, roll number 2 is there. All the record will be displayed one by one. If you want to see particular record, you can write that. That record will be there. Suppose we write this, father name. So find this way in the search, in the navigation button, search button, you can search a particular record also. So this is the way where form is designed. What is form? Technically, if I say write the technical answer, write the to the point answer, right? So if I want to ask you what is form, how you are going to technically define form? Form is the representation of the one record at a time, whereas report is the representation of all the record. Fine. Let me show you the reports now. Now going to create option. Here you can see in the reports, report design, report is there. Click on report. Look here, report is created. So now see the difference. In form, one record has been displayed at a time, but in report, all the record has been displayed at the time. Clear? So what we have recapitulated today? Table, how query is created. For creating query, form and report, you have to go to create option. In create option, other, click on query design, query will be created. For form, forms tab is there, and for report, report tab is there. Clear? So now it's time to discuss some additional information about MS Access. So what additional information I would like to discuss with you? First is first time when it was created, right? It was created, it was initially released on November 1992. This software 28 years ago it was released. Please remember, it is interesting, November 1992. And on what operating system, what platform it is compatible, that is Microsoft Windows. And the father of MS Access is Louis Chung. He has worked on many software, he has designed many versions. One is MS Access, Visual Basic, SQL, he has worked on this, fine, and he has launched MS Access. These are the interesting facts, additional informations. You need not write it anywhere, you just inculcate those I have told you before on the MS Access software. You just practice those on your system and make sure your system has MS Access 2007 or 2010 version, but the features and technicalities are the same. So bye bye, take care.